Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Kiara Sky Builder Gel is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly products in the nail industry. Today, we're diving deep into this innovative builder gel, exploring its application, durability, and overall performance. Whether you're a seasoned nail technician or a DIY enthusiast, this video will provide you with all the insights you need to decide if Kiara Sky Builder Gel is the right choice for your next manicure. Number 5. Modelones 7-in-1 Builder Nail Gel. This innovative gel is designed for 7 amazing applications. It can be used as a thickening overlay, for building apex, extending length, shaping nails, attaching tips and gems, and as a base gel. Remember, it needs to be cured under a UV or LED lamp. The high self-leveling formula and built-in brush make application a breeze. It helps you create the length and thickness you desire, ensuring a smooth and natural base. It might feel a little sticky after curing, but that's normal and helps with adhesion. This gel is made with a professional formula, tested extensively to eliminate bubbles and peeling. It offers long-lasting wear, providing strong, flexible, and lightweight nails for over 30 days with proper application. The Modelones gel is made with healthy, non-toxic ingredients. It avoids harsh chemicals and adhesives that can damage nails. It's also low odor and skin-friendly, ensuring a safe experience. We're here to help with any questions or concerns. Please perform a skin test before use. If you experience any discomfort, stop using the product and contact us for assistance. What we like. This builder gel offers an impressive 7-in-1 functionality, making it a true all-in-one solution. It simplifies your nail routine with its easy application and self-leveling formula. If you're looking for a versatile product that can handle everything from thickening to extensions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Kiara Sky's Builder Gel is a fantastic product for nail enhancements. It is a soak-off builder gel, which is a great feature. It is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully. Number 4. Kiara Sky Gelly Tips, Square Short. Introducing the easiest nail extension. This product is pre-shaped and ready to use, making nail enhancement simple and fast. It's a lightweight and time-saving alternative. Based in California and distributed globally, the brand aims to provide quality products. It helps you express your creativity and share your unique style with the world. The brand understands the importance of providing easy-to-use, quality products. They are not afraid to be innovative and prove that fabulous nail products can be fun and uncomplicated. Kiara Sky offers a collection of dip powders, gel polishes, and accessories. This product is made by professionals for professionals. Get the perfect nails with these gelly tips. They are designed for ease of use and a flawless finish. Try it today and experience the difference. What we like. These gelly tips are pre-shaped, saving you valuable time and effort. The application is incredibly easy, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. If you value convenience and a quick application process, this kit will be your new favorite. What people say. Things I love. I absolutely love the light that comes with the set. It's easy to do each finger and really make sure it's under the light. Directions are a breeze. Very easy to follow. They lasted 3 weeks, and I actually would have had them on longer if I didn't get impatient to switch up the design. Number 3. Kiara Sky Gelly Tips, Coffin Medium Kit. Introducing Kiara Sky Gelly Tips, pre-shaped and ready for immediate use. This innovative product simplifies nail extensions, saving you valuable time. These gelly tips offer a lightweight feel and are incredibly easy to apply. It's a convenient alternative to traditional nail enhancements, making the process much simpler. Enjoy long-lasting wear with these tips, designed to last up to 3 weeks. You can count on it to stay perfect without any lifting or chipping. When it's time for a change, the gelly tips are easily removed. The soak-off feature ensures removal without causing any damage to your natural nails. Get the Kiara Sky Gelly Tips, Coffin Medium Kit today. It includes everything you need for a perfect manicure. What we like. These gelly tips are pre-shaped and ready to go. They are designed to last up to 3 weeks without chipping or lifting. If you like a long-lasting and easy-to-remove nail enhancement, then you should consider this kit. What people say. Kiara Sky Builder Gel is a fantastic product for nail enhancements. It is a soak-off builder gel that is easy to apply and provides a strong, durable finish. The gel is self-leveling, which makes it easy to create smooth, even surfaces. Number 2. Kiara Sky Beyond Pro Nail Drill, Pink. Introducing the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro Nail Drill. This professional e-file system is designed for nail technicians. It's a must-have tool for achieving flawless results. This nail drill is portable, rechargeable, and cordless, offering ultimate convenience. It's perfect for on-the-go use, allowing you to provide professional services anywhere. The Beyond Pro features a lightweight and acetone-resistant body. This design ensures durability and ease of use, making it a reliable tool for your nail services. Experience smooth and quiet operation with this nail drill. Its design minimizes noise and vibration, providing a comfortable experience for both you and your clients. Enjoy up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. This extended battery life ensures that it will last through a full day of appointments. It offers variable speed control with a true speed of 35,000 revolutions per minute. This feature allows you to customize the speed to suit different nail types and procedures. The Beyond Pro comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, ensuring that you're covered in case of any defects. What we like. This nail drill is portable and cordless, offering ultimate flexibility. With a high RPM and a long battery life, it's designed for professional use. If you're a busy nail tech who values convenience and power, this drill is a must-have. What people say. Kiara Sky Builder Gel is a fantastic product for nail enhancements. It is a soak-off gel, which makes removal easy and convenient. The gel is very durable and can last for weeks without chipping or lifting. Number 1. Modelones Nail Dehydrator and Primer Kit. This nail prep kit is the most crucial step for any professional manicure. It helps to create a perfect foundation for your nail art. Using this kit ensures a long-lasting and beautiful finish. Cleaning the nail surface is essential for the durability of your manicure. The dehydrator removes oil and water, preparing the nails for the primer. This step ensures your nail art lasts longer. It's normal for the primer to be a little sticky after application. This stickiness helps the nail products adhere better to the nail surface. This ensures that your manicure will last for more than 28 days. This kit works with all gel nails, acrylic powder, and more. The dehydrator can be used with all artificial nail art. The primer is designed for use with gel polish. A skin test is recommended before use. If you experience any discomfort, stop using it immediately. Please contact us if you have any questions. We are always happy to help. What we like. This nail prep kit is the foundation for any professional manicure. It enhances the adhesion of your nail products, ensuring long-lasting results. If you want to improve the durability of your manicures, this kit is essential for you. What people say. Kiara Sky Builder Gel is a fantastic product for nail enhancements. It is a soak-off gel, which makes removal easy and convenient. The gel is very durable and can last for weeks without chipping or lifting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.